Hmm. So years back, I told myself, never will I ever have anything to do with crocheting or any crocheted item in my house because I was like, I'm not passionate about crocheting. And it's way too many colors sometimes. Okay, people can make things that are unique color, just one color, but most of the crochets I saw before, there were many colors, and I told myself, that is too much anxiety. So those are many years ago. Now I have a full set of blankets, crochet blankets, crochet pillow, multicolor. I don't know what to say. I mean, okay. Um, well, you know what? People change, maybe, and maybe I changed too. But isn't it beautiful though? It's just beautiful. Yeah, I actually love it.